Greetings explorers, welcome to Crafting Basics, Rivets, Snaps, and Grommets. For this video we're going to be going over how to attach rivets, snaps, and grommets to leather using a mallet, setters, and anvils. For this project you will need rivets, snaps, grommets, a sturdy surface to hit on, a mallet, setters, and anvils. The first tool that everyone will probably be most familiar with is the mallet or hammer. Please note that for this project and any leathercraft project that requires you to hit in rivets or other attachments with a setter and anvil, you will want to use a rubber or hide mallet. Neither is better than the other, and it mostly comes down to your preference. Setters are the things that you will be directly hitting with the mallet. They come in various shapes and sizes to accommodate the variety of rivets, snaps, and grommets out there. Anvils, like setters, come in various shapes and sizes as well, depending on what you need for your project. Just like their larger counterpart, an anvil is what you rest your grommet, rivet, or snaps on and are not hit directly by the mallet. Their job is to help stabilize whatever you're hitting and make sure it doesn't get damaged in the process. These items are what rivets, snaps, and grommets could look like. These items come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, all varying depending on what you need for your crafting project. Then of course there's leather. Leather of most thicknesses can be bound together using any of these attachments. As I said earlier, anvils are designed to help stabilize rivets, snaps, and grommets. Some have a little bump that fits into a hole in the bottom of a rivet or a snap. Others have an indent that matches the curve of rivets or snaps. For grommets, there are anvils that have circular grooves that help hold a grommet in place. Then there are an assortment of setters that, like anvils, have different shaped heads that match the shapes of various rivets, snaps, and grommets, as to not damage them when this tool is hit with a mallet. When punching holes in the leather, it is important that the hole is a snug fit for your rivet, snap, or grommet. The hole doesn't necessarily need to look pretty because it will be hidden by the attachment. Also be aware of how you are attaching your attachments. Make sure you're attaching them in the correct order or have them facing the correct direction, because removing them will damage the rivet, snap, or grommet, and you will need to grab a new one. Once you're sure everything is facing and attached the correct way, we can then proceed to whacking them into place with the mallet. Be sure that when you begin this step, you are hitting your items on an appropriate surface. This could include, but is not limited to, a metal slab, a piece of granite, or even concrete ground. When you're hitting in any of these items, you do not need to swing with all your might. This could damage the rivet, snap, or grommet. You also can't hit it too lightly, or else nothing will actually attach. Just give the setter a few solid taps with the mallet, and you're good to go. And that concludes this Crafting Basics video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, as well as our bigger leathercraft projects. Our leathercraft projects occur once a month on Saturday, so hit that bell icon if you want to get notified when a project is posted. Until then, happy crafting! Bye guys!